रणबीर कपूर ने रिवील किया कि जब वो आलिया से पहली बार मिले थे तो आलिया 9 साल की थी और रणबीर 20 साल के, लेकिन उनके ये स्टेटमेंट्स के लिए वो हो गए ट्रोल। टू नो मोर स्टे ट्यून एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। बॉलीवुड एक्टर रणबीर कपूर, who is currently busy shooting Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan, left the entire social media divided with his latest podcast with Nikhil Kaman. Ranbir's statements, revelations and confessions about his life grabbed a lot of eyeballs. Ranbir spoke about the first time he met Alia and also talked about her soft nature. पॉडकास्ट के दौरान रणबीर ने रिवील किया कि जब वो आलिया से पहली बार मिले थे तब वो 20 साल के थे और आलिया सिर्फ 9 साल की। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि वो शादी के बाद बहुत बदल गई हैं, एज वो पहले बहुत लाउड टोन में बात किया करती थी। Ranbir said that his father's tone growing up always rattled him and Alia made efforts to change it. He said it is not easy when one has lived 30 years of their life speaking in a certain way. Ranbir said that Alia is someone who instinctively reacts when Raha falls down. He said that reaction of Alia's throws him off. Ranbir continued saying that Alia makes certain things to put him at ease, and he said that he hoped he could say there's something he did for her to put her at ease, but he has not done it yet. He said that Alia was somebody he met over the years and knew this person was special. He even said that he has immense respect for her and as an actor, as an artist, as a person, as a daughter and as a sister. Ranbir said that Alia makes him smile and he loves going home to her, on a holiday with her and coming back with her also. Well, the statement of Ranbir did not go down well with the netizens and they called Ranbir toxic nature. अब रणबीर कपूर के स्टेटमेंट्स में कोई टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं थी, तब भी लोगों ने उनके स्टेटमेंट्स को टॉक्सिक बोला। एज जैसे ही ये वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल हुआ, कुछ ट्रोलर्स ने कमेंट सेक्शन भर दिया रणबीर को गलत बोलते हुए। एज दे रोट, there's a corporate setup marriage and it is very unfortunate and spellbound marriage resulting in sudden deaths in the family. Second wrote, did he say he love her as a friend? Is this Aidil Mushkil in real life? Another wrote, did he really just say he has respect towards her like a daughter and sister after saying they met when she was 9 and he was 20? It sounded so wrong. And some also commented saying, I'm sorry but he sounds too fake and he's embarrassing. Ranbir and Alia started dating and soon decided to live together. In 2018, they decided to do Brahmastra together. Ranbir's romance with Alia started on a plane ride to Tel Aviv and their romance grew stronger during the pandemic. Alia and Ranbir tied the knot on April 14, 2022 and they welcomed their daughter Raha on November 6, 2022. Well, आपको क्या लगता है रणबीर कपूर के स्टेटमेंट्स नॉर्मल थे या टॉक्सिक? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates do follow our page.